Hey traders, Control the Trade here, taking a quick look at Netflix before they report earnings. Today is April 20th. It's 3:45 p.m. East. Netflix is set to report after the bell. When Netflix reports earnings, they tend to have a really wide range and tend to flush really far down or spike really high up, so you have to be ready for that. Not something that you can gamble on with these types of earning reports after hours. So we're just going to look at a couple of zones that might be high probability areas of support and resistance. The first obvious one is the resistance, which would be the all-time high at 593.29. I believe that's the all-time high. Let's look here. Yeah, 593.29. Back on the daily chart now. I think I had a weekly up before. And these are Fibonacci retracements. Again, you can see this incredibly wide range here. We're going to tighten it up with a weekly. Obviously, this chart is incredibly bullish. Let's go a little closer. So you have the 20-week moving average here at 531.64. That will be an interesting area, but I'd see the most interesting area for me, if there is a spike down, would be somewhere around 500, 502, 503. The low of this candle here is 493.54. I could see them breaching 500, spiking that, challenging that candle, and then bouncing from there. That's one scenario if you get the flush down after hours. We got the Fibonacci retracement here, which I'm going to take another look at, make sure I like the numbers that I have for the retracement. Got a lot of old lines on this chart, so that's why I want to take another look here. Now let's look at the monthly. So in the monthly chart, again, you have the 20-period moving average, the 20-month moving average creeping up here, which is all the way down to 437.41. So that's a big reach. But again, you never know what can happen during earnings, especially this time right now with how volatile everything is going to get. You have the low of this candle here, which is 492.85. So again, we're kind of in that 493 area that we talked about earlier. Let's look at the daily chart, see if we can find any gaps. Okay, you have a convergence here of the 20 and the 50 period moving average, the red and the blue line. The red line is 534.97, and the blue is the 20 period at 537. I know I'm giving a lot of numbers out here, but it's going to be an incredibly wide range. At least that's what previous earnings reports have given us. And then you have the 200 period moving average all the way at 514. So you have a lot of different areas of support ranging all over the place. As you've seen, we've taken a look at a lot of different charts here. So keep those in mind. Don't gamble on this one. And if you can scoop some up on a spike down and let it ride, I've done that before with this. You put in kind of like your low number that you wish it would go to, that you could buy it at, let's say 493, something like that. Even 478, 479. I'm not saying do that blindly, but maybe just see how it opens up, or take a small position. It's not recommended to trade, during earnings, or after the bell or before the bell in earnings. You need volume, but this one should have the volume to justify that and should present the opportunity. Just don't get stuck on one side, the wrong side of the trade, because you can really get hurt with a stock like Netflix after hours, because the range is just usually incredible. Usually it's a 50-point to 100-point range from what I've seen in the past. So that's it. They're going to report after the bell, and good luck. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please drop a like and a comment, and I hope you're subscribed. And remember, don't let the trade control you.